Hey there, friends. Are you ready to go on a really fun adventure with me? We're going to meet 20 of the most adorable, amazing animal pals. It's going to be so much fun. You ready? Let's go.
All right, check this out. This is kind of like our map for our big animal adventure. First up, we're going to meet some cuddly pets and say hi to some farm friends. After that, we're off to find some awesome wild animals. And you know what's last? We're going to take a big dive into the ocean to meet our water buddies. So let's get started. First stop, pets and farm friends.
Look at our very first friend. So soft and gentle with those big friendly eyes. What do you think it is? Yep, you got it. This is a cat. And you know what's super cool? When cats are feeling really happy and cozy, they make this soft, rumbly sound. It's called a purr. And of course they say meow to say hello.
Well, hello there. Look at this happy little guy. With those cute floppy ears and that big smile, who do you think this is? That's right, this is a dog. And here's a fun little secret. Dogs wag their tails back and forth like crazy when they're super excited to see you. Ooh, and who do we have here? A sweet little rabbit with those long, soft ears. Can you guess? Of course you can. This is a rabbit. And you know what rabbits love to do? They love to hop all over the place. And have you ever seen them wiggle their cute little noses? It's so fast.
Whoa, look at this beautiful, friendly horse. So strong, but so gentle, right? What animal is this? This is a horse. And get this is so cool. Horses can actually sleep while they're standing up. How silly is that? Okay, next up on our farm visit, look at this sweet cow with its little bitty horns and kind eyes. What is it? This is a cow. And you know what sound a cow makes, right? It goes moo. And they're the ones who give us all that yummy milk we love to drink.
Bah! Oh my goodness, look how fluffy this sheep is. Doesn't it look just like a big, puffy cloud you could hug? You know what it is? This is a sheep. And all that fluff? It's called wool. It's like they're wearing their very own warm, cozy sweater all day long. All right, adventurers, you did great with the farm animals. But are you ready for the next part? Because we're heading out into the wild. We're going to meet some amazing animals from the jungle and the savannah. This is going to be exciting. Let's go!
Wow, look at our first wild animal friend. It's this super cute little elephant. Check out those big ears and that long trunk. What is it? This is an elephant. And get this, they use their long trunks just like a straw to slurp up water for a drink. Isn't that neat? Whoa, look out, it's the king of the jungle. See that big, fluffy, golden hair all around its face? That's called a mane. What is it? This is a lion. Lions have a really big roar. Can you try it with me? Roar! That was great. Their roar is so loud you can hear it from super far away. And here comes another big cat. This one has beautiful orange and black stripes. What could it be? This is a tiger. And here's something really cool. Every single tiger has its very own pattern of stripes. That means no two tigers look exactly alike. How special is that? Aw, would you look at this cozy guy with his round little belly? He looks so warm and snuggly. You know who this is, right? This is a bear. And bears are expert nappers. They love to take extra long, super sleepy naps all winter long. It's called hibernation. Check out this silly, playful friend with the giant grin on his face. What is it? This is a monkey. And monkeys are incredible climbers. They love to just swing from tree to tree using their long arms. Can you imagine? Whee! That looks like so much fun. Wowzers! Look at that long neck. What a cute animal. Do you know what it's called? This is a giraffe. And having a neck that long is actually super helpful because it lets them reach all the way up to the tippy tops of trees to munch on the yummiest leaves. Hey, look at this happy friend, all covered in black and white stripes. Who could it be? This is a zebra. And you know, those stripes aren't just for looking cool. They actually help the zebra hide. When they stand together, it's hard for other animals to see where one zebra ends and another begins. It's like a magic trick. Well, hello there, clever one. Look at this animal with that big fluffy tail. What do we have here? This is a fox. And foxes are known for being really smart. They are super clever little animals. And look at this beautiful bird just hanging out on one leg. And it's so pink. What is it? This is a flamingo.
Do you ever wonder why they're pink? It's because of what they eat. All the yummy little snacks in the water turn their feathers that beautiful pink color. You are what you eat.
You guys are the best explorers. Okay, for our final adventure, let's pretend to put on our swimming goggles. Got them on? Good. Because we're about to dive deep, deep, deep into the big blue ocean to meet some amazing water animals.
Splash! Whoa, look at this friendly fellow with the great big smile. Who is this swimming by? This is a whale. Now this cartoon one is little and cute, but get this, real whales are the biggest, most gigantic animals in the whole entire ocean.
Here comes our next friend, swimming along nice and slow. It's an adorable little guy with a big, round shell on his back. What is it? This is a turtle, and that shell is super special. It's not just to keep him safe. It's his home. Imagine carrying your house with you everywhere you go.
Whoa, check out this cool purple buddy. Look at him waving at us. What do you think this is? This is an octopus, and an octopus has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 arms to wave with. They're called tentacles. That's a lot of arms for waving hello.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Look at this tiny little round friend with such a happy smile. You know this one? This is a fish. And fish have a really amazing superpower. They can breathe completely underwater. They use special things on the sides of their heads called gills. So cool!
And for our last animal friend of the day, look at this super playful, happy animal. It's a dolphin. That's right, this is a dolphin. Dolphins are super smart, and they absolutely love to play by jumping and flipping and splashing in the ocean waves. What a fun way to end our trip!
Wow, that was such an amazing adventure, wasn't it? We met so many incredible new friends today, from the farm to the wild jungle, all the way down to the bottom of the sea. So I have one last very important question for you. Which animal was your favorite? Was it the fluffy sheep, the loud lion, or maybe the splashy dolphin? Think really hard and then go tell somebody who your favorite was. Thanks so much for coming on this adventure with me.